Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. The bathroom is a luxurious and relaxing space, with a large soaking tub as the centerpiece. The tub is positioned in front of a large window, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The walls are painted in a soft, neutral color, and the floors are made of heated marble. The bathroom also features a spacious walk-in shower, a double vanity, and a separate toilet room. The bathtub is the focal point of the bathroom. It is a large, freestanding tub with a deep soaking well. The tub is made of white porcelain and has a chrome faucet. The tub is positioned in front of a large window, which offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The window is covered in sheer white curtains, which provide privacy while still allowing natural light to filter into the room. The walls of the bathroom are painted in a soft, neutral color. This creates a relaxing and calming atmosphere. The floors are made of heated marble, which adds a touch of luxury. The bathroom also features a spacious walk-in shower, a double vanity, and a separate toilet room. The walk-in shower is large and spacious. It has a glass door and a rain shower head. The shower is also equipped with a built-in bench and a body spray. The double vanity is made of white marble and has 2 sinks. The vanity is also equipped with a large mirror and plenty of storage space. The separate toilet room is located off of the main bathroom. It has a toilet, a bidet, and a sink. The bathroom is a luxurious and relaxing space, with a large soaking tub as the centerpiece. The tub is positioned in front of a large window, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The walls are painted in a soft, neutral color, and the floors are made of heated marble. The bathroom also features a spacious walk-in shower, a double vanity, and a separate toilet room. Here are some additional details about the design of the bathroom. The bathroom is located in a private home. The bathroom is designed for adults. The bathroom is used for bathing, showering, and getting ready for the day. The bathroom is decorated in a modern style. The bathroom is spacious and well lit. The bathroom is equipped with all the necessary amenities. The bathroom is a beautiful and functional space that is sure to provide its users with years of enjoyment. Reasons to design a bathroom with a bathtub. 1. Relax and reduce stress. Soaking in a warm bath can help you relax and relieve stress after a long day. Warm water can help soothe your muscles and mind, giving you a feeling of peace and relaxation. 2. Improve health. Bathing can provide a number of health benefits, including improved blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduced muscle soreness. 3. Enhance romance. Taking a bath together can be a romantic experience for couples. Add candles, essential oils and soothing music to create a relaxing and sensual atmosphere. 4. Increase the value of the house. A bathtub can be a luxurious accent to your bathroom and can increase the value of your home. How to start designing a bathroom with a bathtub. 1. Determine your needs. What type of bathtub do you need? What size bathtub do you want? Do you need additional features like a massage shower or aeration? 2. Choose location. The location of the bathtub is important to ensure you have enough space and can easily get in and out. 3. choose a bathtub, there are many different types of bathtubs on the market, so take the time to find one that suits your needs and preferences. 4. Choose accessories. You can add accessories like shower heads, handrails, shelves, and bath mats to create a comfortable and safe bathing space. 5. Consult experts. If you need help, consult an interior designer or contractor for advice on designing and constructing a bathroom with a bathtub. Here are some additional benefits of designing a bathroom with a bathtub. Create a spa space at home. A bathtub can help you turn your bathroom into a miniature spa where you can relax and recharge. Increase bathroom aesthetics. Bathtubs can be a luxurious highlight for your bathroom and increase the aesthetic value of your home. Suitable for all ages. The bathtub can be used by people of all ages, from children to the elderly. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your bathroom and create a relaxing and luxurious space, consider adding a bathtub. Watch this video to discover beautiful and inspiring bathroom designs with bathtubs. This video will introduce you to many creative design ideas that will help you create a luxurious and relaxing bathroom. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.